welcome back to the Roy Works channel. So today is a big day for two reasons. The first thing is this is my 100th video, which I can't believe that. It seems like it's gone by very quickly. And more importantly, today my son Shane has bought his first house. And I want to bring you guys along to go take a look at it. It's going to be a major project for our family. We're going to all work together on it. And it's going to be quite the adventure. But I wanted to share it with you guys, and we'll go take a look. Tracy and Tyler are hard at work, trimming up the front. Hey Shane, what do you think?
It's a little bit of work out here.
So we get a collection of all this material. This is all stuff that was left from the old homeowners. We definitely have work cut out for us. But nowadays, this is how you have to buy properties. You have to buy them with the possibility of doing a lot of work. He's lucky enough to have a nice little garage here, insulated. You can see a lot of projects coming out of this place. This is all stuff left behind. Now you can't really tell, but this is actually a beautiful piece of property. It's in a great location. Got a few lawnmowers here. Maybe some future projects. So I think we're going to be busy for a while just cleaning this place. I don't know, what do you think? A new Roy Works video? I don't think so. It's a lot of work. Man, what a big, massive machine that is. Big backhoe. We're thinking of possibly buying that. We're still kind of in negotiations for that. That would be really handy to have around the property like this. It's actually a trailer. That might come in handy. What do we got back here? It might be weird, but I like looking around stuff like this. person that was living here was having health issues. So they made this room as like a way to take care of him. Now we're gonna go into the first addition of the house, which is the kitchen. We have it kind of set up now to, just for work mode. We have, like snacks here, and, it's kind of messy. But this is the original part of the house that was built in the early 1900s. I think it was 1914. It has a second floor with 2 bedrooms up there. Some funky paint on the ceiling. Old original bathroom. Or I think they actually added this to help the older gentleman that needed help. This has an old crappy oil-fired hot air system. I don't even know if it works. We didn't buy it with the intentions of it working, because we want to put a up-to-date system into it. Now we're going to the upstairs. There's definitely a unique smell in here. Kind of gives you a look at the outside.
Yellow that is? That's awesome. And it only smells like urine really bad.
Shane already has his gnome here to christen the house. All right, guys, well, that's going to be the video for today. Like I said, this is my 100th video, and I want to thank everybody again for that has been along with me on doing these videos. You can see there's more to come. This probably won't be a weekly video showing the progress on this project, but I will come back here and there and show the different projects that we're doing. All right, guys, well, have a great rest of your week, and I will see you on the next video.